Hi everybody, I'm Chris, and today we are unboxing and reviewing the SD365 DG from Boats to Go, one of the most popular inflatable boat choices. I want to walk you through what makes it such a solid choice for your on-the-water adventures. So in the box itself, we have the inflatable boat with its red carry bag, 2 metal oars for manually rowing, 2 benches, 1 repair kit, and 1 hand pump. So on this inflatable boat, the installation orders go as follow. There's 1 tube and 3 chambers. After, you proceed to floor and then you proceed to keel. So the boat does come with a hand pump, but today we are using the electric air pump from Boats to Go that can be purchased on the side. So this is officially the SD365 DG. This boat was actually surprising to me when I first drove it. I did not know what to expect, and when I first hit the waters, it felt very sporty, it was very nimble. It's actually very durable as well. This boat brings in safety, and it also brings in fun and a lot of versatility. The SD365 DG is actually one of the best-selling boats from Boats to Go. It's very interesting because I didn't expect much from this boat when I first saw it until I hit the waters, and I actually really do love driving this boat. It's very fun. I am here at Haulover today and the waves here can get a little crazy, and this boat handled it perfectly. I was very surprised. I was catching waves, I was jumping over waves, and it just did great. Not only can I fit just myself, but I could bring a friend, my cooler, a fishing rod, and just so much more. So this is the 12-foot model. It is in dark gray and it has a high pressure floor. One of the outstanding features of this boat is its high quality premium German Paytex PVC. It also has an outstanding UV resistant fabric. So the bottom of this boat has a double layer fabric that protects against rocks and beaching. The seams are heat welded, which helps the boat hold up in a hot and sunny climate. The transom uses marine grade plywood reinforced with fiberglass and has 3 different air chambers and a 4th air deck floor. There's also a safety pressure relief valve to prevent overinflation, keeping safety and reliability in mind. When it comes to performance, the transom can hold up to a 30 horsepower short shaft outboard. And the deep inflatable V keel gives you better handling and tracking at high speeds, resulting in a stable and responsive feel at cruising speeds, adventures, and overall anything you need to get done on the water. For practical use, the SD365 DG is great in lakes, bays, and anything near coastal waters. It's great for freshwater and salt. It seats up to 5 people, 4 comfortably, and supports up to 1,400 pounds of weight. And even though it's a 12-foot boat, it weighs only about 110 pounds and folds down to the size of a large bag, making it easy to transport and store. And of course, the value is hard to beat. It's priced at $1,149, comes with a 3-year manufacturing warranty, and includes a 30-day return policy. Boats to Go ships anywhere in the lower 48 states. It can also fold down to a size of a large bag, easy for storage and practicality. Included in the box are aluminum oars, a hand pump, repair kit, seat benches, and a carry bag. So I'm excited here to show you guys the SD365 DG. I've actually personally driven this boat, and it's a very fun, nimble, sporty feel. Not only is it good just going out there on the water with a big cooler, but you can pop out with your friends. And that's honestly something that is crazy to see at such an affordable price. Not only is it practical, it's durable, it's great for long-term use, and overall, it's just a great thing to have if you're just trying to hop on the water. I personally love it. Like, I have never seen a boat so easy to use, move around, and fit more than 1 person. In my experience personally, as someone who lives here in Miami, I love the water. Not only can it be high cost to go out there, but sometimes it's just not practical. I don't want to go out there and have to bring out my truck, get the boat, wait at the ramps, put gas. It's just too much effort and work sometimes for me to just hop out there in the water. Thank you guys for joining us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like and comment below. Be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends, as it helps us make more videos for you guys. Any questions you may have, put in the comments below. Stay safe out there and see you on the water.